channel. Today, you and I are going to sing Just the Kids Friend Since August song. Let's go!
My eyes help me see the light. Day and night, oh what a sight. Oh what a sight. My ears help me hear a sound. All day long I sing along. Sing along. My nose helps me smell a flower. Every minute, every hour, my tongue helps me to the sweet. Oh, yummy! Yummy things I love to eat. My skin helps me feel the breeze from the trees all through the leaves.
Guys, do you like Just the Kids Friend Since August songs? Guys, there are 5 sense organs in the human body. We have eyes for seeing, and ears for hearing, and nose for smelling, and tongues for tasting, and skin for feeling things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to share. And if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name, Charles the Kids Friend. C-H-A-R-L-E-S, Charles. C-H-A-R-L-E-S, Charles. C-H-A-R-L-E-S, Charles the Kids Friend. Bye, friends.